Last year, this time, this is how many subscribers we had. And now we have this many in just 1 year. That's crazy. I mean, look at our daily average amount of views on the Smart Rapper channel. This is stuff that you guys generally don't see because I never showed it to you before, but look at this. Look at our growth rate. We get like 500 new subscribers a day and like 50,000 views on this channel. This is what people don't see. They're like, Rob, you're getting 10,000 views on these new videos. No, we're getting 50,000 across the fucking channel, bro. I honestly believe, I'm so excited, look at this, that by the end of 2019, because of the rate of growth that we're going at right now and the fact that I'm now spending money on ad dollars and you Smart Rappers are spreading the word like crazy, gang. And I got the new singles, so I'm growing here and here and here. We're going all over the place. We're gonna be at 1 million subscribers by the end of 2019. At least 500,000, but I think we could do 1 million. Like honestly, like if we grew that much and now we got the social proof and now people believe and are seeing that it's actually working and we're helping, inspiring people and people actually, careers actually moving, like we're killing it, y'all. We're gonna hit 1 million subscribers. We have a whole year to hit 1 million subscribers. Real quick, I wanna talk about this though, because this is crazy. I have wanted to do this forever and I'm finally able to do it. I hired a full-time camera guy and we put together a reality show based on everything that I'm doing so you can watch what I'm doing in the industry, who I'm connecting with, and you could come inside my life and actually learn and grow with me, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm putting together the singles, the behind the scenes of this, and that, how I'm connecting with this person, when I'm out doing this. So there's a new show, and it releases today, okay, on my other YouTube channel, on the Rob Level channel. I'll put a link below for you guys, because I have numerous YouTube channels. I have the Rap School channel, I got this channel, and then I got the Rob Level channel, and then I got another channel, and I got another channel. I got a lot of channels, man, but don't worry about those, okay? The Rob Level channel is the one you need to go to right now. You need to subscribe, because I'm releasing every Thursday. There will be a new episode of that show. We already have the first couple episodes ready to go. I got people in there, you're gonna see famous people, but oh shit, you got this, I got that. You're gonna love this, and I hope, and you're gonna learn a lot from this too, okay? So go, number one, when you're done with this video, go to that channel, put a link below, and watch the first episode, okay? You're gonna love it. We put a lot of work into this. Next, January 8th, I will be releasing the video showing you how to win microphones every month. I'm giving away 3 microphones every single month, okay? 3 microphones. And I'm gonna show you guys how to enter the contest, how the contest works. It's super easy. You just get involved and you can win microphones. Everybody can win, well, they're upstairs right now, but I already showed you guys the microphones. They're real. You're gonna be able to get those. January 8th on this channel, look for that video. I'm also gonna put a link below to my Spotify because I wanna show you guys something special. Look at my go to my Spotify, right? Go to my Spotify, save it, follow it, look at it, okay? Link is gonna be below. And I want you to watch how much it grows. Take a mental note or a screenshot of where we're at right now on my Spotify and watch how much it grows in the next 90 days, okay? In the next 3 months. Because of everything that we're about to do, the new singles releasing, the promotions that I'm about to be doing that I'm gonna show you guys and girls how to do. In the next month, 2 months, you guys are gonna start seeing all these videos start coming about how I'm doing this marketing stuff so you can start utilizing those ideas and strategies, okay? As well as a course that's coming out. But go look at that. Go to my Spotify and see where I'm at right now. Just to go see. Even if you don't follow me, just go look and see where we're at. And remember that. Because in 90 days, watch it grow. Because I want you to feel the massive difference that all these marketing strategies that I'm doing will do. Because you're gonna see those numbers change, you're gonna go, oh my God, Rob, show me these marketing. Because if you don't believe that we're gonna kill it with the marketing, that will be the proof for you, my friend. And I'd like to thank everybody inside of the Smart Rapper community. Thank you so much for anybody who got this special deal and anybody who even joined the free level. I hope that you got all of your free credits that we gave away for the Christmas and everything else, for Christmas and everything else like that, so that you were able to unlock a free premium course from Smart Rapper to you guys, okay? Just so you guys had something for Christmas from me, all right? Also, my new single Spray releases January 9th. The music video, you know, that me and my team shot and edited ourselves. We did the whole song. It's featuring Burger Man. Burger Man's killing it right now. You're gonna love this song. Straight banger, the one that's in the intro. You guys have been hearing in the intro. Go watch the video. You're gonna be like, oh my God, shoestring budget video, looks pro. You're gonna love it. Just go watch what I'm doing, and I'm gonna teach you guys, okay? New single releasing every month. I got songs with I got some big artists on some features. In March, I'm gonna be releasing my song with Dax. We got a music video we're about to start. We're about to shoot end in the 3rd week of January. We should be shooting that music video. The song is a smash hit. You guys are gonna love everything that's happening right now. We're taking over the world, and this is a quick update. We've grown so much. Thank you all so much. I hope you got your Christmas present. Go watch my Rob Level reality show. Go watch the show on the Rob Level channel. Put the links below for that, okay? Check out my Spotify. We're doing this, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. All right, that's why I make Smart Rapper. We like to blow up. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.